Everyone, my name is Nurasha Alia binti Muhammad Zaidi, and I'm going to introduce you guys about compound interest. So compound interest is calculated on the principal of the interest accumulated over the previous period. So compound interest also apply in the valuation of loans, savings, insurance and investment. Compound interest also calculated based on the accumulated past interest. The new previous S become the new P. So the formula we're going to use in the compound interest chapter is S equals to P multiply 1 plus I to the power of N, and also I equals to S minus P. The first question is, in which bank would you suggest Puan Roy to invest if she wants to have an amount of 30,000 ringgit in her account at the end of 3 years? Give your reasons and show your workings. So from the questions given, we can point out the information. So we get S equals to 30,000 ringgit, and for bank A, the rate is 5.5% and M equals to 3 and T equals to 3. So for bank B, we got the rate as 5.3% and M equals to 4 and T equals to 3. So for the working, we're going to use the formula S equals to P multiplied by 1 plus I equal to the power of N. So for bank A, 30,000 ringgit equals to P multiplied by 1 plus 0.055 over 3 to the power of 9. So the answer will be 25,474 ringgit and 85 cents, while bank B, 30,000 ringgit equals to P multiplied by 1 plus 0.053 over 4 to the power of 12. So the answer will be 25,616 ringgit and 62 cents. So I would suggest bank A to Puan Roy, as she only needs to invest 25,474 ringgit and 80 cents to achieve 30,000 ringgit in 3 years, compared to bank B, which she needs to invest 25,616 ringgit and 62 cents.
Hi everyone, my name is Zahra Sufia, and today we'll be discussing about question 1, compound interest. So, if Puan Roy invests 12,500 in bank A for 7 years and 8 months, what is the amount of interest obtained when the investment period ends? So, from the question, we get that bank A equals to 5.5% interest rate compounded every 4 months. So, from the question given, we can gather out the information, which provides us with P equals to 12,500, K equals to 5.5%, M equals to 3, and T equals to 7.6667. And then we can use the original compound interest formula, which is S equals to P multiplied with 1 plus I to the power of N. Hence, we will get S equals to 12,500 multiplied with 1 plus 0.055 divided by 3 to the power of 3 multiplied with 7.6667. So 12,500 multiplied with 1.0183 to the power of 23. Therefore, we would get S, which is 18,983 ringgit and 62 cents. So how do we get the interest? We can find the interest by using the original interest rate formula, which is I equals to S minus P. So I equals to 18,983 ringgit and 62 cents minus 12,500, which gives us the interest of 6,482 ringgit and 62 cents. Next, Puan Rohaya wishes to invest 28,000 in bank A. Her target is to accumulate 60,000 by the end of the maturity period, and how long should she wait to reach that amount? So from the questions, we gather the information which gives us Bank A equals to 5.5% compounded every 4 months, P equals to 28,000, S equals to 60,000, K equals to 0.055, and M equals to 3, and lastly T, which we will need to find the T. So how should we find the T, which is the time? How long should she wait? So we use the original compound interest formula, which is S equal to P multiplied with 1 plus I to the power of N. S equals to P multiplied with 1 plus K over M to the power of M multiplied T. So we put inside the information. So 60,000 equals to 28,000 multiplied with 1 plus 0.055 divided by 3 to the power of 3 multiplied with T. Hence we get 60,000 divided by 28,000 equals to 1 plus 0.055 divided by 3 to the power of 3T, which provides us to the answer, which is 2.1429 equals to 1.0183 to the power of 3T. So the 3T must remain at the power because you'll bring it along in front as we put the log. So next we need to insert log. So insert log on both sides and bring the power to the front, which is log 2.1429 equals to 3T log 1.0183. And then T equals to log 2.1429 divided by 3 log 1.0183. And the answer is 14.0093. But we are trying to find the time, right? We are trying to find the years or the months. So we would convert them to just normal numbers, which provides us with 14 years. So Puan Rohaya would need to wait 14 years in order to reach 60,000 in her bank.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Putri Rashkin and I'm going to explain briefly about the topic annuity. Annuity is you make a deal with an insurance company or a bank and you will give them a chunk of money, and in return that you will receive steady stream of money. It's either every month, every year, or a set number of years. There are 4 types of annuity, and one of it is deferred, which is you need to wait a few years before the payment starts. And the second type of it is called immediate, which is you will get paid as soon as you did the annuity. The third annuity is variable, and it can change depending on how the investment performs. And lastly, it is called fixed annuity, which is you will get the same amount of money every time you get paid. People usually do annuity so they don't run out of money when they older, so they will not rush. So thank you for listening to my introduction about annuity. We will now discuss about the question under the topic annuity. I'm going to discuss about question 2, which is Zamri makes regular monthly deposit RM300 at the end of every month that pays interest at 5.5% compounded monthly. The first deposit was made on his 20th birthday, and the last deposit will be when he is 55 years old. And I'm going to discuss about question 2I. Determine the accumulate value in his account when he reaches the age of 55 years old. So here we are going to find the accumulate value in his account once he reached 55 years old. And we are going to use the formula S equals to R in bracket, and in bracket again 1 plus I in bracket the power of n minus 1 divided to I in bracket. Firstly, we need to find the R, which is payments. It is 300 ringgit, and the I is 0.055 divided to 12, and then we are going to find the N, which is the term of investment, 35 multiplied to 12, and then we are going to put all the numbers in the formula. Firstly, the R is 300 in bracket. In bracket again, 1 plus 0.055 divided to 12 in bracket the power of 520 minus 1 divided to 0.055 divided again to 12, and then we close with bracket. We are going to get RM 381,277.03 cents.
Hi, my name is UiTM Sulaiman. I'm going to talk about question 2 of part 2. Immediately after his last deposit, Zambi withdraw 25% of the accumulated value from the account, then a monthly amount is withdrawn for the balance for the next 10 years to zero balance. Find this monthly withdrawals amount. So, first we need to find the 25% of the accumulated value from the account. 25% divided by 100, then multiply 381,277 and 3 cents. So we will get the amount is RM 953 ringgit and 19 cents. Next, we need to find the original total to find the remaining balance. So RM 381,277 ringgit and 3 cents minus RM 953 ringgit and 19 cents equals to RM 318,333 ringgit and 18 cents. Next, we're going to find the monthly withdrawal amount. Before we go in to find the monthly withdrawal amount, we need to convert 10 years to month. What we need to do is 10 years multiply 12 months, so we will get 120 months. Finally, we can find the monthly withdrawal amounts. So RM 318,323 ringgit and 18 cents divided by 120 months equals to RM 3,169 and 36 cents. So Zamri will withdraw RM 3,169 and 36 cents every month for the 10 years until the balance becomes zero.